Hello everyone, Shane Lutzen here with Keller Williams, your trusted real estate consultant with over 26 years of experience in real estate consulting and corporate finance. If you need assistance with your real estate needs, please give me a call. My contact information is below. It's at the end of the video, and it's also in the description. Be glad to help answer any questions you may have and help you to make the best real estate decision for you and your family. Alright, it's January 17th. The year started off here, and we're getting things cranked up. Everyone's kind of gotten back into the flow of things here after the holiday season. So let's look at what's happening in the market. Okay, we'll start this week by looking at interest rates. Now, these rates are from Bankrate and Yahoo Finance. Again, I'm not a mortgage broker. And these are average for the DFW area based on a 740 credit score. So the rates this week are at 3.49 for the 30-year fixed rate. It's at 2.81 for the 15-year fixed rate. The 30-year fixed refinance rate is at 3.5, 2.79 for the 15-year refinance rate fixed, and the 5-to-1 ARM rate has actually gone up to 2.63. Now, if you'll notice, those rates have gone up from what we were looking at. At the start of the year, we were at 3.23 for the 30-year fixed rate for purchase, and 3.15 the last week of December. So we're all the way up to 3.49. And this was kind of expected because of, as all of you noticed, there's inflation pressure everywhere on goods and services, obviously on housing. And the only way to combat that from a macro level, as far as the Fed is concerned, is raising rates and taking money out of the system. So we did expect rates to go up this year. The Fed has already announced that they were going to raise rates 3 times this year, but the market's already responding to that. So we're up close to 3.5 in terms of rates, where we were, close to 3 for the majority of last year. Now, obviously, this has some impact on buyers. Not going to lie, it has. It's going to increase your payment a little bit, but remember, these rates are still towards historic lows. Between 3 and 4% is extremely low. Average for the history of interest rates for home loans is somewhere between 6 and 7%. So it's still very low rates, and still a good time to buy. Now, as we move on from rates, let's look at what's happening in the actual market. And again, these numbers are for Denton County, which is my main market area. So let's look at what actually is happening in the housing market. The number of homes that became active this last week was 115, and there was 34 coming soon. The week before, there was 147. If you compare that to where we were, the last week and over the holidays, it's like 88. So, but the average last year was somewhere around 220 early in the, kind of in the off months. When you get into the selling season, we were up, somewhere between 230 and 270 a week. So 115 is all that came on the market last week. Still, people trying to get into the year, not quite wanting to put their homes on the market yet. Those numbers will start to rise, especially as we start getting towards March and April. But if you compare that 115 homes that came on the market this last week with 160 that went into contract, that's a 45 difference, right? 138 went into contract last week. So the housing market is still hot. There are people wanting to buy. Lots of buyers out there, not as many homes available. Just kind of the way it is with people moving into the DFW area. Again, I think it was around 10,000 people a month were moving to DFW in last year. So obviously there's a shortage of housing. Builders are building houses as quickly as they can. But if you're looking to sell your house, it is a great time because the hot market is remaining, and there are lots of buyers out there wanting to buy property. Thank you again for watching this week. Again, I'm Shane Knutson, your trusted real estate consultant. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button ever so gently. Hit that like button. And if you would, also subscribe to the channel and ring the bell for notifications. We do a new video every Monday. We also do some video, market update like this one. We also do some other videos on things to be aware of within housing, goals, motivation, and the like that we do every so often. You can also comment below if you have any topics you'd like to see us cover. If you enjoyed the video, comments help as well. The likes and the comments help get the video out to more people, so we would appreciate that. Anyway, thanks you again for watching. Hope you have a great week this week, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.